government has gazetted 13th November to be a national holiday, and this holiday is dedicated towards the tree planting as a mitigation measure against the climate change that we have been experiencing. Following that gazettement, we have been able to put in place a multi-agency committee that has been tasked with preparing ensuring that we mobilize resources, seedlings, put logistics in place, ensure that we have enough holes for planting the trees on Monday. So far, we have been able to mobilize 110,000 seedlings, which we have projected or purpose to distribute as follows. 20,000 seedlings will be planted at Anjere Hills. We'll do 20,000. 10,000 will be done at Anjere Forest. That's in South Mugirango. The deputy county commissioners in the other 10 sub-counties are going to be issued with 10,000 seedlings each for distribution across the county. The approach we are giving this celebration is the same approach we have been giving to national celebrations, such that the county celebration will be marked at Anjere Hills in Kisii South. The rest of the sub-county celebrations will be done at the sub-county headquarters in all the 10 sub-counties. What that means is that the DCC Kenyanya will organize this celebration there, cascade it down to the sub-location level. The DCC Nyamache will do the same thing, and the rest of the DCCs will replicate that arrangement in all their sub-counties. The celebration in Kisii will be presided over by Honorable Eliud Owalo, our CS Communication and ICT, and the celebration commences at 9 a.m. sharp in the morning. I want to appeal to all the residents of Kisii to turn up in large numbers and demonstrate their commitment towards working with the government in an effort to address the challenge of climate change. We have reached out to all the stakeholders. We have invited the political leadership, we have invited the business community, learners, heads of learning institutions, the Kenya Bankers Chapter Kisii Union, and quite a number of other players. So it's an open invitation. Anybody who has goodwill for this country in terms of addressing matters of climate change, they are welcome. We want to encourage members of the public to target to plant a minimum of 2 trees on that day. If we can do that, and looking at the population of this county, which going by 2019 is 1.3 thereabout. If we could only just use the 1 million grown-ups we have, then we can realize our target, which is 4.5 million trees. You know, if we did that twice, and with a minimum of 2 trees by every other grown-up, we should be able to realize that target in just 2 sessions. So that is where we are. The county government is on board, playing a very critical role. We have Kenya Forest Services, we have the Director of Environment, we have NEMA, we have every other key stakeholder in this country, the CBOs, the NGOs. They have come in very handy, and we want to walk this journey as a team. We want to give it that multi-agent space, that multi-agent approach to ensure that we realize our objective. If it means that we dedicate 1 week towards the same cause, the better for us. It's a question of now coming up with strategies, so now to realize the target that we have been given.